Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 981 Spyder that we're working on. But we waited a long time for the parts to come in, to turn up, but we actually got the brand new parts all here. So this is the actual actuators. They do fail on the Porsche, but they are electronic. Porsche Cayenne, like pretty much any car with electronic actuator for the actual rear handbrake. They do fail because they actually it's just a motor, it's not a cable. Alright, so we're just putting everything back here. So I want to show you this side here. This side here is all done, so we're just putting everything back together now. So there's a brand new one there as well, as you can see. Alright, wait up. Okay, this side here is done, so we're gonna put the new one on the other side here as well. We're just stripping everything out so we can get to it and put the new one on this car here. This car here is due for a major service, including spark plugs, but we have already done the minor service, so I'm going to ask the customer. I think we're better off getting it done because it's part of the service book, so it looks good in the future when you do sell the car, that everything gets done properly on every on the service book according to the Porsche specification. Yeah, so after this we're going to do all the calibration and all that stuff. With the computer, it takes a long time. Sometimes you got to do some adjustments before we put everything back together. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.